Welcome to the Point Think channel. In this video, we will discuss how to cultivate a positive mindset. Cultivating a positive mindset is a process that takes time and patience. By thinking positively, life becomes easier to find peace and happiness, and positive thoughts also lead to positive actions. Here are some ways that can help you cultivate a positive mindset. 1. Self-awareness. Self-awareness is the ability to observe and understand our own thoughts, feelings, and actions objectively. By having good self-awareness, we can better understand ourselves, recognize our strengths and weaknesses, and manage our emotions better. You can practice self-reflection. Take time to reflect on and contemplate your daily experiences. Ask yourself how you feel, what you think, and why you react the way you do. Writing in a journal or jotting down your thoughts and feelings can help in this reflection process. Meditation can be an effective way to enhance self-awareness. By focusing on your breath and observing the thoughts that arise, meditation helps us train the ability to observe thoughts and feelings without judgment or getting caught up in them. Engage in activities that put you in a state of flow. Find activities that fully captivate and engage you, where time flies by and you feel completely connected to what you're doing. This can help you develop deeper self-awareness. Don't hesitate to ask for feedback from your close ones, whether it's friends, family, or coworkers. Listen openly and honestly to the feedback given and use that information to improve yourself. Next, you can practice empathy. Developing empathy towards others can also help enhance self-awareness. Try to see situations from other people's perspectives, empathize with their feelings and experiences. This can help you better understand yourself through comparison with others. Don't forget to learn from experiences. Every life experience, whether it's success or failure, can be a valuable lesson for self-awareness. Review those experiences objectively. Find out what you can learn from them and how you can grow from them. Stay consistent, open, patient, and committed to continuously developing yourself. With better self-awareness, you can make better choices and live more authentically. 2. Positive environment. Creating and maintaining a positive environment is crucial for our well-being and personal growth. Choose friends and a social environment that is positive. Surrounding yourself with optimistic, supportive, and inspiring people can influence your mood and mindset. Look for friends who share similar values and can provide positive support in your life. Try to avoid unnecessary conflicts and drama in your social environment. Focus on healthy and supportive relationships, and distance yourself from people who often create chaos or conflicts. Always clean and organize your physical environment to make it comfortable and enjoyable. A tidy and organized space can help reduce stress and create a positive atmosphere. Also, decorate your room with things that give positive energy, such as green plants, memorable photo, or beautiful artwork. In addition, choose the types of media you consume wisely. Avoid negative content, anxiety-inducing news, or TV shows that contain violence. Instead, choose content that inspires, educates, and builds up. Keep control of negative emotions and practice a positive mindset. If you feel pressured or stressed, find ways to manage those emotions, such as through meditation, exercise, or journaling. Also, try to see the positive side in every situation and change negative thought patterns into positive ones. Take time to do things you enjoy and bring you happiness. This can include pursuing hobbies, exercising, reading books, or simply relaxing. Giving yourself time can help replenish positive energy and enhance your well-being. And don't forget to be grateful and appreciate the small things in your life. Make a list of activities or moments that make you happy every day, and be thankful for what you have. Appreciating what you have helps create a positive attitude and strengthens gratitude. Creating a positive environment requires awareness and continuous effort. By maintaining a positive environment, you will feel the positive impact on your well-being. 3. Avoid excessive thinking. Avoiding excessive thinking or overthinking is important for maintaining our mental and emotional health. You need to be aware that you are experiencing overthinking. Recognizing that your thoughts are excessive is an important first step in addressing this issue. Try to identify what thoughts often arise and trigger overthinking. When these thoughts come up, write them down and observe the thought patterns that emerge. After identifying negative thoughts, try to challenge them with critical questions. Ask yourself if these thoughts are realistic, if there is evidence to support them, and if there are other ways to view the situation. Stay focused on solutions, not problems. Shift your focus from constantly thinking about the problem to finding constructive solutions. Identify steps you can take to address the problem or situation that worries you. Create a worrying time schedule. Redirect your overthinking to designated time slots. Set aside specific time in your day or week to think about your problems or worries. During this time, give yourself permission to think about these things, but once the time is up, commit to letting go and focusing on other things. Make sure to maintain a balance between work, leisure time, and rest. Too much focus on one aspect of life can worsen overthinking. Give yourself time to relax, enjoy hobbies, and maintain healthy social relationships. If overthinking continues to disturb you and is difficult to handle on your own, don't hesitate to seek support from loved ones, friends, or therapists. Talking to someone who can listen and provide a fresh perspective can help in dealing with overthinking. Remember that overcoming overthinking is a process that takes time and consistent practice. Be patient with yourself and continue to strive for a more balanced and positive mindset. 4. Manage stress. Managing stress is an important skill to maintain our mental and emotional health, and always think positively. Recognize the signs of stress. Be aware of the physical and emotional signs that occur when you experience stress. This can be changes in mood, anxiety, muscle tension, sleep disturbances, or changes in appetite. By recognizing these signs, you can quickly identify and address stress. Try to identify what causes stress in your life. Is it work demands, relationship problems, or pressure from the environment around you? By identifying the causes of stress, you can find more effective ways to manage it. Create a regular and efficient schedule for managing your time. Prioritize important and urgent tasks, and allocate time for rest and relaxation. Managing your time well can help reduce stress caused by a pile of work or a busy schedule. Find activities that help relax your body and mind, such as deep breathing, yoga, or listening to calming music. Take time to engage in activities that you enjoy and give you peace of mind. It is important to maintain a balance between work, leisure time, and rest. Set aside time to engage in activities you enjoy, maintain healthy social relationships, and give yourself enough time to rest. A balanced life can help reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Engage in regular physical activity. Exercise and physical activity can help reduce stress and improve mood. Try engaging in physical activities that you enjoy, such as walking, running, swimming, or yoga. Physical activity releases endorphins that can boost happiness and reduce stress. Sharing your feelings and experiences with close people can also help reduce stress. Meet with friends, family, or join support groups. Getting emotional support and new perspectives from others can help reduce the burden of stress. Take care of your physical and mental health by practicing self-care regularly. This can include getting enough sleep, eating healthy food, staying well hydrated, and engaging in activities that bring you happiness and relaxation. Remember that everyone has different ways of managing stress. Find strategies that work for you and experiment with various techniques to find the most effective ones for you. If stress continues to interfere and is difficult to manage on your own, don't hesitate to seek help from professionals such as therapists or counselors. 5. Meditation. Meditation practice is an effective way to develop self-awareness, improve concentration, and reduce stress. Here are the basic steps to start a meditation practice. 1. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit upright. Choose a place free from distractions so you can fully focus on the meditation practice. 2. Choose a comfortable sitting position. You can sit with crossed legs on a meditation cushion or use a chair with a straight back. Make sure your back is straight and relaxed, with relaxed shoulders and slightly tucking your chin in. 3. Begin by regulating your breath. Focus your attention on your natural breath without needing to change it. Feel the breath coming in and out through your nose. If your mind keeps wandering, gently bring your attention back to your breath. 4. Observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment. When thoughts arise, let them pass without getting caught up in them. Observe your thoughts and feelings with objectivity, as if you are an observer not involved in the play of thoughts. 5. Train your focus and concentration. When your mind wanders, bring your attention back to your breath or focus on the sensations in your body. Train yourself to stay focused on the present moment, without getting caught up in thoughts of the past or fantasies of the future. 6. Start with short meditation sessions. If you're just starting out, begin with a few minutes each day and gradually increase the duration over time. The main goal is consistency in practice, not a long duration. 7. Use meditation aids if desired. If you find it difficult to focus, you can use aids such as guided meditation or meditation apps available online. They can provide guidance and instructions to assist in your meditation practice. 8. Maintain consistency in your meditation practice. Meditation is a practice that requires consistency. Try to set aside time for meditation every day, even if it's just a few minutes. With consistency, you will experience greater benefits from meditation. Remember that meditation is a continuous evolving process and everyone has different experiences. Be patient with yourself and enjoy this meditation journey. With regular practice, meditation can help improve your mental and emotional well-being. Remember that cultivating positive thoughts is an ongoing journey. Stay consistent and give yourself time to grow and develop. Thank you for watching this video, and I apologize for any mistakes, whether in language or pronunciation. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Also, feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. See you.